With 3 goals in 3 games, Remo Stars striker Victor Mbeumo is a man on fire. Having played in the lower leagues before 2017, Victor is making the top league his own.
Actually, I give all thanks to God because he has been the reason for these actions. So I really thank God.
Small beginnings prepare you for the big leagues, but life at the top is not a reality for the faint-hearted.
Actually, we came with all our hearts, but it's so unfortunate that our first game we lost out of inexperience. But now we have had two losses, so now it has actually given us more strength for us to push ahead. So now we know what to do and how to do them. You know, actually it was very, very tough in the sense that I was thinking, because this is the highest level of football in this country. So I made up my mind that I'm going to do something that the world will have to know me. So that is why I need to put all my effort to make sure that I get something out of this league this season. You know.
Character and ability defines the best of strikers as coaches look to their man to bet the edge for his team.
Wonderful, unbelievable, and sweet to savour, sweet to see. I'm happy about this, greatly happy. By now he should have gotten something close to like about, most probably not 3 goals, by now 9 or 10 goals. If he had converted some of the chances, even in Gombe, almost about 3 chances that he got. He has information, he's much more informed than most of the strikers that you see. As you can see, very skinny. You cannot compare with Zaki, you understand me? So, but he's doing so well.
Now that the goals are here for Victor Mbeumo, Remo Stars can find little comfort in his goals in an unforgiving league for newcomers.